How to use if-else statements in Python. So, as always, first we go to brackets and then create any variable name such as num and assign it with any number such as 3. Then we type if statement variable num greater than or equal sign 0 ended up with colon. After that, type print with the string signs and write positive number. So now type the else statement followed with the colon in the end. Then type print with the string signs and then type negative number. So finally we can understand that these statements mean if the variable number is greater than or equal 0, print it's a positive number. Anything else, print for me it's a negative number. So this is just an example for if statements. Then don't forget to save your work. So right now let's try if it works on terminal. First type Python and it's easier for us to drag and drop the file to the terminal and then press enter. As you can see here, it works well and printed positive number. Anyways, thanks for watching.